Welcome to our second layering and masking video where we look at how to make twins. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is import all of my media into my video editor. Final Cut allows me to drag and drop. I'm going to drag my first twin down onto my timeline. I've used a stand-in actor to give myself spatial and timing cues as I say my lines. I know that I'm not going to want to have the second actor visible. So what I've got to do is I've got to create a mask, and I get that from my effects panel under the masks heading. Now using my pen, I simply draw a mask around what I want to be visible in the frame. And we can see there that it blocks out the stand-in actor. The next thing that I'm going to do now is drag my second clip down to my timeline and place it over the top, making sure that it's in line. And there we see again my stand-in actor is there. So picking up a mask and dragging it onto my clip, I now draw my mask around where I want to be visible. And we can see that I now have that portion of my frame visible, and because my mask is hiding what's not visible, the clip on the underlying layer has now become visible. I'm just going to scrub through and see if there's any areas where my masks aren't working properly. And I can see there's a bit there, meaning I need to tweak the size and position of the mask on the top layer, and then come back and tweak the size and the position of the mask on the underlying layer as well. I now have both clips visible with both having a green background. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my background image and drag it underneath both of my green screen clips, extending it out the full way to the end of both clips. Grabbing up my keying effect from my effects panel, I'm going to drag and drop that onto both of my clips. And we can see now, as I play that back, both versions of myself are visible the entire way along my timeline, making it look as if there are two of me, just like magic.